So welcome back everybody to another video. Right now we're going through some pretty difficult times with the coronavirus and all the other things that are going on in the world, but I just want to provide this video. Hopefully it could be helpful to anybody that's looking to buy a new laptop or that might have been thinking about maybe adding some new laptop to their already to their collection or maybe to their workflow. So to get started, I'd like to just introduce what we'll be unboxing today. It's going to be the Surface laptop, first generation. The reason that I was inspired to get this laptop in the first place, as many of you guys know, I already have a HP laptop, which is the HP Spectre 360, and I bought it about 2 years ago. It's worked phenomenal. That's actually been my daily driver ever since the MacBook that was refurbished and fixed by Apple got stolen, sadly. But that's been my daily driver, and we'll talk about the whole MacBook thing another time. So this is supposed to replace it as my daily driver. So what will I be doing with the HP Spectre? Well, it'll just become kind of like a desktop laptop, if that makes any sense. I don't really believe in having a desktop currently. It's just my opinion, but this would be what I would be, taking to class once Corona kind of falls off or gets better. But in the meantime, it'll also serve as a double laptop that's a 13-inch laptop, very portable, and I'll be able to move around with it much easier than the 15-inch HP Spectre that I have right there. So for this unboxing, I did buy it off of Amazon. It was a really good deal. I believe I paid around $500 with tax and everything. It was around $620, which when this retailed for, this was retailing for about $1,300, and that was comparable to the MacBook Air at the time that was still before the update. So let's dive into what we're going to be seeing here, and I'd like to show you guys some B-roll footage. Okay everybody, so that's been the unboxing, and as you can see here, the charger comes in the box. It actually also comes with a USB port inside of the charger, which is really nice. And overall, it was a really nice unboxing. I like the color, the feel of the fabric is fine. Hopefully I don't get it dirty, but if I do, there were instructions to wipe it down with a wet cloth. So this has been the unboxing, and I'll be letting you guys know what the review is later on in the upcoming months. So thank you for watching, and I hope this was useful or helpful if you were planning on buying the Windows Surface laptop.